Hi, my name is Kim Benson and I'm an artist. Probably I should say I'm a painter than an artist, but the painting in the collection is titled Wallflower. I titled it that because I was thinking about the painting surface as a wall. It's sort of a little bit literal, wallflower. In the way that it could be reminiscent of like architecture or a facade or a fresco painting. I was looking at the Renaissance painter El Greco and his particular work, The Dormition of the Virgin, and I was interested in it for many reasons. Became like sort of maybe the structural base of the painting, but then different materials outside of the painting, such as like a fresco wall or concrete or tile work. So I was trying to like bring all of these together into like a totality, like a gestalt. And then maybe it presents itself in mysterious ways. My practice is rooted in thinking about painting as a complexity. Additive, subtractive processes such as like stenciling and sanding and extruding oil paint, kind of building the paintings. I like to think about not necessarily painting an image. And I would say I'm sort of obsessive about the process, or at least like repetition and variation through repetition. Then the paintings start to present themselves in unusual ways through this like additive, subtractive, cultivating and excavating and discovering possibilities that put things together that seem incongruent. The possibilities are endless, you know? And the kind of like ability to work through my own ideas, processing my own existence, and then also kind of developing or making something, crafting something. I'm very much a sort of earthy person, kind of thinking about myself like rooted in the physical world. I'd like the viewer to experience the work in ways that go beyond just like the image making, to have a experiential quality with the paint or with the painting, regardless of finding any kind of defining idea within it. Just to be sort of delighted by the experience of seeing a work in person.